My hair has been in the same twist for 6 weeks straight, and this mistake might be the best thing I've ever done. See, last year destroyed my hair. Bad braiders, neglect, laziness, you name it. But I'm on a journey to grow my hair past my chest, no matter what. And these twists are my secret weapon, but it only works if you resist taking them out early. So in this video, I'm gonna be going over the exact strategies I use to keep my hands out of my hair and why it's already bringing me results I didn't think were possible. If you wanna keep your twist hair for a long time, you need to wash them. I know this is like mind-blowing advice because the first thing you hear is that you don't wanna wash your twist, you don't wanna ruin the style. How is that gonna make it last longer? I'm not telling you that you need to wash it immediately, but if you wanna hit 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, you need to wash it at some point because those twists, no matter how many times you refresh them, no matter how much scalp care you do, are going to itch like hell. So what I do is around the second week of having my twist in, that is when I will wash my hair. You could use one of those like wave caps or wig caps or one of those things. You just wanna make sure that you're giving your scalp some love with that shampoo and getting rid of those flakes. It won't be perfect. I do have a video that shows you how to do it. I'll put that in one of the cards. But essentially, just make sure you're paying attention to your scalp. And what I've learned from keeping those twists in for a long amount of time is that itch is the main thing that's gonna get you to take them out. What you wanna do is hop in the shower. I have a separate video that goes over this, so I kind of gloss over this part. How you expect to keep that style in if every couple of seconds this you trying to claw out your brain? Hit it with the shampoo, hit it with the water, and you'll realize that you will freak out less, especially if your braider likes to use the gel on your scalp. That is gonna cause so much flaking and so much itching. So you can wash your twists. And this leads quite beautifully into the second tip, which is refresh your twists. You may notice that after you hop out the shower or after you wash your scalp, your twists are gonna look super frizzy, and then you're gonna be like,
oh, my twist don't look like the way I want it to do. I'll just go back to the braider and have them redo it.
no, okay, let me put you onto some grade A level sauce. You know how when you get your twist done and the braider goes in with the mousse and then it puts the do-rag on your head and then they point the blow dryer and that is like the icing on top, and when you hop out of that chair you looking clean AF. You can do the same thing just after you wash your twist. I'm not gonna fill your head with dreams, okay? It's not gonna look brand new, but you'll be surprised how good your twist will look if after you wash them you just do the same thing. Put the mousse on your parts, put the do-rag on, aim the blow dryer at your head, maybe at like medium heat, the high fan setting. And once it dries, it'll look pretty clean. And you don't have to wait until after you wash your hair. You can just do this whenever your braids start to seem off. So whether you have cornrows, 2-strand twists, box braids, you can continue to spam this. I wouldn't do it too much though, to the point of product buildup, because then you'll be back in the same position with your head being itchy. But feel free to use this. Before we go on to the next tip, if you would like me to build you a custom hair routine designed for your hair's needs, your budget, your lifestyle, I will leave a link down below in the description to where you can book a call with me. We hop in a session, I answer all of your questions, I help you refine some of those mistakes you might be making using the experience that I've gained throughout these 6 years of me growing out my hair. So if that sounds interesting to you, go down below, click the link, book a call, and we can fix your hair routine lickety split.
Lickety split.
I've never said that before. If you are in the house or you don't have anywhere to go, you need to be wearing a bonnet or a do-rag 24/7. I don't care if you just got home and you want to show off those twists, put the do-rag on. This is the key to making that style last. See, here's the thing when it comes to twist styles, protective styles. Once that hair starts to frizz out of the braid, you can't put that hair back into the braid. So naturally, the longer you keep that style in, it's gonna go from looking really good and then it's gonna start to fray out a little bit more and then more frizz and more frizz. Before you know it, you're gonna look pumpy. So I need you to start thinking long term. Whenever you are not showing off that style, you should have a do-rag on. That compression is gonna prevent your braids from frizzing up due to unnecessary friction. I mean, if you're putting on a cotton t-shirt, for example, right? That's gonna cause some friction and cause your braid, you might get a little more frizz, right? But if you have your do-rag on, it just slips over it and then you don't have to deal with that issue. Same thing if you are taking hot showers. I talk about this all the time. If you take hot showers or you take warm showers, it doesn't matter what shower you take. Wear a shower cap or a bonnet or something while you're in the shower. It's gonna prevent that friction or prevent your hair from frizzing up due to the humidity. Not to mention, if you have some length with your hair, it can get pretty annoying with your hair being in your face all the time. You're eating, your hair is always on your face. Some of the oils is causing you to break out, especially if you can't do a bun like this, subtle flex, right? You like that? you like how I just... This next tip is my favorite because it really is a difference maker, especially if you have to go out. When you're keeping your hair in for a long time, it's gonna frizz up. It's going to show its age. And sometimes you really just wanna look fine. The best way to do that is to get a haircut. When I tell you this week, I was looking so popped down. I didn't wanna leave my house. I didn't wanna go anywhere, bro, because I didn't have a fresh cut. My braids looked super frizzy, but just yesterday, I gave myself, you know, just a quick little fade. At least I know I got my lineup, I got my fade. Everything is calm and I don't feel like I want to take out my twists anymore. And this may be a very specific me thing, but I find that when I have my twists in for a long time, I just start to think of them as locks, and it would be the same way if you were just waiting for a retwist. So once you get that little haircut, you feeling yourself a little bit. Now, one of the reasons why keeping your hair in braids for a long time is so important for hair growth, it helps you reduce manipulation. It helps you reduce breakage. It helps you reduce stress when it comes to taking care of your hair. But that does not give you a pass to not pay attention to it at all. That's how you mess up your hair. That's how your hair becomes super brittle. So you want to make sure that you are moisturizing your braids effectively, especially if you want to keep it in for a long time. Now, I consider this different from refreshing your hair because when you're using those products, that's really for style. You really just want your hair to look good. But I want you to focus on moisturizing products for this. So what I'll do is I'll spray my twist with water, and then I'll go in with a leave-in conditioner, I'll squeeze it with my hands, and then I'll go in with an oil to just seal it. After the second week of having my twist in, that's when I start this whole moisturizing thing because I don't want to frizz it up beforehand. But if you wash your hair, at that point, your hair is gone, brother. You can use whatever you want to use to try and bring it back, but you need to be focusing on moisture. So that's what I do. I just spray it and then moisturize it and everything is fine. Just because your hair is in braids doesn't mean it needs to be dry. If you have any special tips that you use to keep your twist in for a long amount of time, drop them down below in the comments. We can all learn from each other. And if you like this video, you're definitely gonna like this one. So I advise you to check it out. That's all for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.